Hello friends, in this lecture we will see Streamline, and for Streamline I have this kind of part now. So I have already defined a tool, one ball mill. Okay, I'm going to use this tool for Streamline. So click here and my sub operation is Streamline, and okay, now I want to define flow curve first. So this is my first flow curve, add second curve, add third curve, add, and the fourth one. So I can select any number of flow curve in any direction. Now my geometry is, this is my geometry. Okay, and now generate and see, and go to this streamline, and here I want to increase the number of step over to 60. Click and generate. Okay, this is the result. And if I'm going to change the direction, like from this to this is my direction now, and generate it. See, because there is a gap, that's why it is cutting like this. Okay, so we can do one more thing. Just okay, and go to sketch, and here from the modeling, extrude single curve, and my single curve is this. Okay, and change it to symmetric value. So this is my surface, and at this sketch again, go to manufacturing, here, and streamline, double click over it, and from geometry I'm going to change my geometry, and my geometry is this time, and generate it. Why it is doing like this? So if I'm using this kind of surface, so my number of flow curve will be reduced. So I'm going to delete all this flow curve, and now only automatic, select this automatically, it will automatically select the flow curve. Okay, and generate. See the toolpath and reverse the direction. I want this direction as a cut direction. Click and generate this. Okay, and I want to hide this surface, and my toolpath is this. So it is not properly flow curves are this, and this is my flow curve, and cross curve is this. So I'm going to remove this, and same here, and my first curve is this, add, and second curve is this. Okay, and let's see this. My reference geometry is this, but I'm using dead surface as a cut geometry. So do one thing, okay, and hide this and show this one, okay, and double click over it. My first curve is this, add, second curve is this, and cut direction. I want this, okay. Now generate. Still the same problem. From the geometry, from this geometry, I'm going to change this MCS mill. Now generate it, okay. So what happened? It is considering this surface as a cutting geometry, and it is following the flow curve from this surface. And now I want to hide this and I want to show this. Now if you will see, the same thing will come, okay. So in this way we can create toolpath, but you can see this in 2D wireframe only, and 3D it will not show you like this, okay. Okay, so this is the third method for Streamline.